There we go.
What the fuck? Any better now?
7-Eleven.
Hello?
Hello?
Is this 7, 12, 11,
Hello?
13? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, do you have milk?
Excuse me?
Do you have white semen milk?
Yes, we have milk.
Oh! Cause I want white semen milk for my cookie.
Yep.
So you got that?
Yep.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to pick it up at 7:30 tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Will you be there?
Yeah.
Will you have sex with me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh. Oh. Why did you say that? It would be really funny if someone came in at 7:30 and asked for milk.